Hi, some clients don't know how to assemble the chamber. This video is going to show you how to do when you receive the goods. Take the chamber body and all accessories out. This is foam base that avoids chamber moving. Remove the protective film. This is the chamber body whole looking. Put the chamber body in flat place. These are all the accessories we need to install on chamber bodies. Let's start to install the connectors. The concentrators have 5 holes or 6 holes versions. What we showed today is for the 5 holes version. We installed this oxygen tube connector first. This is external pressure gauge. Make sure you screw it tightly to avoid air leaking. Then we install it on chamber body. Actually, the location was determined by you. Then we can install the rest connectors on chamber body. Just screw it tightly to avoid air leaking. These are stoppers that without any holes on connectors. Same installation method. Make sure every hole on chamber body installs connector well. Now let's connect the chamber body with concentrator. 2 big tubes and 3 small tubes we need to install. The first one is pressure detection tube. Just plug in the tube. This one is pressurization tube. The air comes out from here and we inflate the chamber by this tube. This one is pressure relief tube. We deliver inside chamber air out from this tube. This one is environment detection tube. We detect if the chamber had pressure by this tube. This is the oxygen tube. Oxygen comes out from here. Make sure the oxygen tube is far away from the environment tube. Now let's install the inside control panel of concentrator. Inside, user controls the concentrator by this panel. Put the cable inside, then screw the connector on chamber. Open the zippers, then we install the inside panel. This is the backside connector of control panel. Plug in the connector, which is easy. If we don't install the silencer, the inside chamber is noisy. Screw the tube connector on the air input hole. Then we installed the silence, just plugged in it. 5-tube concentrator, just install one silencer. 6-tube concentrator installed to PCS silencers. We connected the oxygen mask with the oxygen tube. Now let's see the whole looking after assembly. External pressure gauge and the panel port on flank side. For tube connectors and stoppers on backside. One automatic valve here. This is to ATA valve, which determines the max pressure of soft chamber. Another automatic valve here. Every chamber would have to possess automatic valves for safety. Emergency valve and oxygen tube here. Clear window can see inside user's behavior. We can see control panels, oxygen masks, and silencers inside. That's all information about how to assemble the chamber. Wish it could be helpful for you.